In this module, we'll be installing the Device42 Windows Discovery Service. First step is log in using your credentials. Navigate to Discovery and Remote Collectors. You can see we have one remote collector installed. It's connected. However, there is no WDS connected. We'll want to download the Windows Discovery Service. Once downloaded, navigate to the executable located here and right-click and install. The wizard will begin. Click Next. The first step is to put in the IP address of the remote collector endpoint. Next, you need an RC code. This is the OTP code that gets generated from the main appliance. Click the Generate OTP, enter the code into the RC code. Click Next. If the path is okay, click Next, else you can change it. Then click Next. Once completed, you can click the Close button to remove that window. Click OK to remove the OTP generate screen. And let's refresh the UI to verify that our WDS is connected. You can see it's connected because it's in green with the IP address of the system that we installed the WDS on.